Hey friends, if you wish to run a checkdisk scan on Windows 11 using the command prompt method, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Now it's a very easy command, so I'm not writing it in the description section. Just type chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the checkdisk scan. I will repeat it again. CHKDSK space /R space /F and hit enter. Now, after hitting Y for yes, when you hit enter, it will initiate the checkdisk scan. And you can keep working on the background and then restart your computer after a few hours. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.